Hello and welcome back to yet another video. So because we have learned about integers and floating point numbers, which are the two fundamental numeric data types in Python, the next logical step for us to take is to learn about the different mathematical operators that we can apply to these numeric data types to um, perform some simple calculations. And so in this video, I'm going to show you the different operators or some of the operators out there for performing mathematical calculations. And as we progress further in this course, we will come across a lot more operators. So I'm going to focus on the fundamental ones here. So I'm going to create two variables. I'll say first number is equal to, let's say, -10, and I'll say second number is equal to, let's say, 50, right? And then I'm going to use the mathematical operators to perform some calculations, okay? And we'll print the result of applying those mathematical operators on the first number and the second number. So I'm going to say print, or let's put that in a variable also. So I'll say answer is equal to first number. The first operator I want us to learn about is the plus, and it is as simple as using the plus character on your keyboard. So second number, and then I am going to print answer. Okay, so let's run this program to see the outputs and confirm if that is what indeed we expected. Okay, so I'm going to run operators.py, and you can see that indeed when you add -10 and 50, you get positive 40. So you owed 10 and you have 50 on you. So in effect, you have just 40, because when you pay the debt of 10, you are left with 40. Okay, I'm going to perform the calculation again. This time around, I'm going to use the minus operator, and that is for subtraction. And so I'll come in here, save this, and see that I'm reusing the answer variable. All it means is that I am updating the value stored in that memory location over and over again. So I'm going to run this program, and you can see that when I owe 10 and I owe 50 again, then I'm effectively owing 60. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and then I will come here, and I'm going to let us learn about the multiplication. So the multiplication operator is the asterisk. It is not x. Okay, so don't make a mistake and do this. This is not valid in Python. It is valid in your mathematics textbook, but in Python, the multiplication operator is the asterisk. Okay, so I'm going to run this, and you can see that when we multiply -10 by 50, we get -500. I want us to take a look at another operator, that is division. So I'm dividing -10 by 50. Let's see what answer we get for that. We expect something like 0.5. I'm sorry, 0.2. Yeah. So -0.2, because we are dividing -10 by 50, and that is what we get. There is one other operator that I want us to take a look at, which is the modulus operator. And what the modulus operator does is it gives you the remainder when one number is divided by the other. Let me use an example to make it more concrete. So the modulus operator is the percentage character on your keyboard. Okay, so I want to get the remainder when 3 is divided by 2. So if I have 3 items and I ask 2 people who are not greedy to share, basically each one will take 1, and 1 will be what will remain. Okay, and so if I come here and I run this program again, we expect that 3 modulus 2 is 1. Let's see 2 modulus 3. So I have 2 items and I'm asking 3 people to share. It is impossible, so the 2 will be remaining. So the modulus helps you to get the remainder when A is divided by B. Okay, I want us to take a look at another operator. So let's see what this would do. If I do print 2 and then I'm using 2 asterisk 4, let's see if this is even valid at all. So I'm going to clear screen, run this, and you can see that I get 16. So what do you think this asterisk operator is doing? Well, it is to the power. Okay, so if you use 1 asterisk, you are doing multiplication. If you use 2, you are saying to the power. So this means 2 to the power 4, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And so 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. That is why we get 16. So this is it about the fundamental mathematical operators that you need to know of. And like I said, we'll learn about more of these operators as we progress in this course. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.